Evan with Southwest Plumbing. I've had a 20-year tenure here at the company, and I'm going to walk you through my truck and the common parts and tools that we use. Most of our customers are surprised to know that we stock a variety of toilets, anywhere from elongated to ADA height, and a round bowl toilet. That way when we come to your house and need to replace a toilet, we have them all ready to install. Sometimes you can't figure out where the leak's at and you have to cut it open, but for such occasions I even keep a inspection camera to allow us to get into the wall without having to cut it as heavily or in those tight spaces that you can't get into easily. So we can take this out, and reaches in about 6 feet, and I can identify what the problem is, and then gives us a little picture on the screen there. So the trucks are typically laid out in material categories. So we keep most of our drainage fittings along the lower shelf, 2-inch, some 4-inch sewer piping, and then safety equipment, and then typically have some brass and electrical connections for gas piping and such. And then on the other side we have most of our supply lines. So we have a faucet replacement. We can simply pull out the correct supply lines for a toilet or faucet. And we have drainage fittings and tub spouts and your typical shutoff valves for under the sink. We always use those quarter turn valves. They're really durable. And then if we move back here, we have all the copper fittings and such. They're anywhere from 1-inch to half-inch copper water line repairs. And then down here is the rest of our plastic fittings. We have 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1.5-inch drainage fittings. Well, that's our truck. Thank you for coming along with me. And our founder Bill's not around anymore, but the same great service is here. Have a good day.